Decoding Importing Construction Machinery Solutions. Hello, importers and professionals in the construction industry. Today, we will delve into the USA import regulations specifically related to construction-heavy machinery. Importing these machines for infrastructure projects requires a solid understanding of the customs regulations and efficient logistics solutions. As a customs broker specializing in the construction industry, we are here to provide valuable insights to ensure a smooth import process. The role of customs brokers. Customs brokers play a vital role in international trade by acting as intermediaries between importers and customs authorities. They possess in-depth knowledge of customs regulations and procedures, ensuring compliance and facilitating the movement of construction-heavy machinery across borders. Customs bond requirements. Importers are required to obtain a customs bond to guarantee the payment of duties, taxes, fines, and penalties related to their imports. Customs brokers assist importers in arranging customs bonds, ensuring a seamless integration into the import process. Importer Security Filing, ISF. The Importer Security Filing, ISF, requires importers to provide specific information about their shipments to U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, before the cargo departs. Customs brokers ensure accurate and timely submission of the ISF, complying with this mandatory requirement. Harmonized Tariff Schedule, HTS, classification. Accurate classification of construction-heavy machinery under the Harmonized Tariff Schedule, HTS, is crucial for determining the appropriate duty rates and restrictions for importation. Customs brokers possess the expertise to identify the correct HTS codes, ensuring compliance and avoiding unnecessary delays or penalties. Import restrictions and permits. Importing construction-heavy machinery may be subject to specific import restrictions or permits, depending on the equipment type and country of origin. Customs brokers assist importers in navigating these regulations and obtaining the necessary permits for importation to ensure compliance with customs requirements. Environmental and emission standards. Construction-heavy machinery is subject to environmental and emission standards in the United States. Importers must ensure that the imported machines comply with these standards to minimize their impact on the environment. Customs brokers can provide guidance on the necessary certifications and documentation to demonstrate compliance. Transport and logistics. Transporting construction-heavy machinery requires specialized logistics solutions. Customs brokers work closely with shipping companies, freight forwarders, and other parties to ensure proper handling, packaging, and transport of these heavy and oversized machinery, facilitating the safe delivery to the project site. Duty calculation and exemptions. Accurate duty calculation is essential in importing construction-heavy machinery. Customs brokers assist importers in calculating the applicable duties based on the HTS classification and assist in identifying any duty exemptions that may apply, ultimately optimizing costs for importers. Temporary imports and carnets. In some cases, construction-heavy machinery may be temporarily imported for specific projects. Customs brokers can guide importers through the temporary importation process using carnets, ensuring compliance with customs regulations and facilitating required documentation. Intellectual property rights protection. Protecting intellectual property rights is crucial in the construction industry to prevent the importation of counterfeit or infringing machinery. Customs brokers implement strategies to identify and prevent counterfeit goods from entering the market, ensuring the protection of genuine machinery. Handling customs examinations. Customs examinations may be conducted to verify compliance with regulations for imported construction-heavy machinery. Customs brokers possess the knowledge and expertise to handle these examinations efficiently, minimizing disruptions to the import process and ensuring compliance. Compliance with health and safety standards. Construction-heavy machinery must meet specific health and safety standards to ensure the well-being of operators and compliance with regulations. Customs brokers provide guidance on the necessary certifications and documentation related to health and safety compliance, ensuring smooth importation. Record keeping and documentation. Accurate record keeping and documentation are crucial in customs brokerage. Customs brokers assist importers in creating and organizing the necessary import documents and records, such as commercial invoices, packing lists, bills of lading, and customs declarations, ensuring compliance and facilitating future reference. Handling oversize and overweight shipments. Importing construction-heavy machinery often involves oversize and overweight shipments. Customs brokers work closely with shipping companies and freight forwarders to ensure compliance with regulations governing the transportation of oversized and overweight loads, minimizing delays and ensuring safe transport. Trade compliance audits. Customs brokers assist importers in preparing for trade compliance audits, which aim to ensure adherence to customs regulations and identify any potential areas of non-compliance. By conducting internal audits and implementing necessary corrective measures, importers can minimize risks and maintain compliance. Free trade agreements. The United States has several free trade agreements, FTAs, in place, which may provide import duty reductions or eliminations for certain construction-heavy machinery. Customs brokers can help importers determine eligibility for FTAs and ensure proper documentation and compliance with rules of origin. Continuous education and professional development. Customs brokers continuously invest in their professional development to stay abreast of the latest regulatory changes and industry trends. This commitment ensures that they remain up to date with the evolving import regulations for construction-heavy machinery, enabling them to provide the best service and guidance to importers. Insurance coverage. Importing construction-heavy machinery carries inherent risks. Customs brokers can assist importers in obtaining appropriate insurance coverage to protect against loss, damage, or liability during transportation and storage. Temporary import bonds. For temporary imports of construction-heavy machinery, importers may need to post a temporary import bond to ensure compliance with customs regulations. Customs brokers can assist in arranging temporary import bonds and managing the necessary documentation. Thank you for exploring the USA import regulations for construction-heavy machinery with us. We hope this information has been insightful and valuable in understanding the complexities of customs brokerage and logistics in the construction industry. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we will continue to delve into various topics related to customs brokerage, compliance, logistics, and international trade. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay informed and updated with the latest industry insights. Thank you, and see you soon.